Damn, the information age turned into the disinformation age real quick.
Billions of dollars are spent on advertising that is simply ignored and skipped.
Hell is always said to be filled with fire, but fire is practically the most prevalent source of light, yet hell is associated with darkness.
In the 80s we were told to go to college because the robots were coming for the traditional factory jobs. In the 2020s people will need to work at factories because AI will be coming for the white-collar college jobs.
It isn't knowing things that makes you smart. It's how easily you learn new things and what you do with that information.
People who give blood are reverse vampires.
Therapists are paid to lose their clients.
The larger you are, the less clothes you can bring in your luggage.
We don't watch television programming anymore, we watch advertising and get rewarded with content that is less advertisement filled.
A good game doesn't need to have good graphics.
The first skyscraper ever must have had a really great view.
As AI gets more advanced with complex tasks and content, soon there will be no way of telling if your remote coworker is a real person.
Flies must be like birds for ants.
The reason why people hate ads more than commercials is that TV shows have built-in stopping points before commercials while ads just pop up in the middle of a video.
Maybe there are infinite different places we go when we die and it's a coincidence we're all here together.
Fast fashion is cosplaying rich people's outfits.
People who have 2 prosthetic legs can choose their height.
Your lap is the only body part that goes away and comes back.
People are less surprised by corruption and more surprised by consequences of participating in corruption.
Now for a quick break, stay tuned for more shower thoughts. Zoidberg is bright red, meaning he's been cooked at some point.
The most important ship any pirate can have is friendship.
Chicken ramen is also chicken noodle soup.
Therapists talk you into brainwashing yourself.
A full cup of half and half is half half and half and half half and half.
Having a different opinion doesn't hurt, sharing it does.
IKEA is the world's biggest 3D puzzle store.
I'm Bob Jeffy.
And I'm Lorelei Stewart. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more shower thoughts. Bye for now.
If you like this podcast, check out our other podcast, Daily Dad Jokes. It'll make you laugh and groan. Just search for Daily Dad Jokes in your podcast app or check the show notes page for links. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.